This is the AirWin realm in the master bedroom. Today is actually its last day of service. It's being replaced with a Minka Air Classica. Tomorrow, in fact. I'll be sure to make a video of that when it goes up. So this is low, obviously. This thing actually puts out decent air. It's just a piece of crap. Noisy. Like, it'll click a lot and keep my dad up at night. Same for my mom. This install has always begged for a cooler fan. If it was up to me, there would be something along the lines of an antique white Delta 1 in here. Oh well, I'm happy with the Minka Air Classica. No fan for here yet. Also, if this video seems more focused on the subject than normal, it's because for once in my life, I'm actually looking where I'm filming. This thing takes absolutely forever to spin down. Like, legit. Hurry up and stop. Still going. finally it stopped.